Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wisdom Panel 3.0 Canine DNA Test, Dog DNA Test Kit for Breed, and Ancestry information. When the result came back, they were similar, but not the exact same for the two dogs. Both dogs included a good percentage of American Stafford Terrier, Tree Walker Coonhound, and Lab. It was very easy to do. You get the box, swap your pup's mouth, and then mail it. Of course, it's agony waiting for the results to come in, and it does take a while. They send you an email as soon as the results are in, and you can log in and view all kinds of info on the breed and your dog's ancestry. To view more about the breeds found in your dog, click on the individual breed names next to the pie chart. You can also continue on to the next page to see this same information in Ancestry tree format. He's 25. Border Collie explains why he wants to herd everything. 25 Minotaur Schnauzer, 12. She was about 55 pounds, loved fetch, not affectionate to puppies, very skittish with strong guard dog personality, enjoys the outdoors, loves to smell, loves the water, loves to snuggle, loves to chase, wants to take charge. It breaks the mixed breed info into groups, the groups you get in dog shows: hunting, herding, companion, etc. The current price of $76 is not enough of a savings to buy an older testing kit. Overall, Wisdom Panel is a great test, and it's great not having to wonder forever what your dog's breed makeup is. Test results came within the estimated window even though Christmas fell right in the middle of it. But Staffy, and Dachshund? He is nothing but legs, and has a sleek, streamlined little body eye. The results provide both a pie chart breakdown of the dog breeds, and a family tree showing the dog's mix. Easy enough to do, 2 swabs given with instructions on how to collect the samples. Overall, a very fun thing to do, and cool to know a little bit more about our furry family member. The MDR1 test from Washington State University costs $60 or $70 if paying with another method. This makes sure you're sampling only the dog's own DNA, not a mix of the rest of your pack. She's very friendly, doesn't bark, and loves all people, and dogs that don't bark at her. And then 12 Sighthound, which none of these answered why she has spots like a Dalmatian on her neck cheat. 0. Collecting the sample from our dog was easy, as well as mailing it in with postage paid. The hardest part was getting her to submit to the cheek swabbing. She was not a fan. The box gives very clear instructions on how to register your kit, and what to do with it. You then replace them back into the container that came in, leaving it unopened, and then sealing the box, and putting it in the mail. That being said, our Annie turned out to be 50 German short-haired pointer 25, Vizsla 12. As it turns out, our dog is not a lab at all. The results were surprising and fascinating. The breed makeup from their test results proves to me that he is the father. The shelter had told me they thought the older guy was a Shih Tzu poodle, the younger guy a Cocker Shih Tzu poodle. The company emailed me, offered to send me a new test kit for free, made suggestions as to how to get a better sample. 5 Chihuahua, and 100 Cute. Definitely worth the money if you have a rescue moot like ours who you want to solve a few of their identity issues. Our test showed our dog's parent they can't determine mother versus father was a full-blood boxer, back several generations. The Wisdom Panel is great if your dog isn't super mixed, so like 23 breeds. One thing not in the instructions that is important if you have multiple pets, is make sure to separate them, and don't let them share water for at least an hour before doing the swab. Highly recommend this test whether you're doing it for fun, or to confirm your pet's lineage. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.